Hi guys, this is Julia again giving updates for the different new postings or new hirings for the different country. And this time I will focus on Japan. So these are the new postings, vacancies for bound for Japan. So I hope that those who are looking for job, they will land on this one so that it's easy for them to find it. And of course, we are happy if we are sharing all this one. And just information, guys, that uh, I, I'm not an agent or recruiter, so I have no any connections to the agency, nor I don't have any commissions, guys. So this is just my passion, share all of this. So by this, I hope na at makatulong. I hope na meron pong mga natutulungan itong vlog ko. And thank you all for all you guys that always following me here. So these are the new postings for Japan, which was posted last June 19, 2020, and the application is until July 18, 2020. So these are the IT system engineer, plant engineer, roller operator, excavator operator, carpenter, painting works, construction labor, equipment operator, of course for caregiver also, but there are lots of guys that they are in need of caregivers, nurse, even in Germany, even in UK, even before the COVID, but because of this situation, so I'm not posting this. But because of course there are doubts and maybe fears sa mga medical workers natin, so I'm avoiding it, guys, for this time. Ref and aircon installer, so I hope na we are all COVID free so that we can really enjoy our lives and we can work for our family. And I hope that there will be a time that we doesn't need to go out. Yung mga kababayan natin mga Pilipino, we doesn't need to go outside to work and to leave our family in the Philippines. That of course it's very hard. Okay, so IT system engineer is in need by Abojeb Manpower Solutions Incorporation Agency. So let's check for this agency first. Okay, so these are the job approved. So of course, if we can check for the agency if it's legal or legit, then we go to the POA website where we can see all the listings of the legit accredited POA agencies and their job orders. So approved job orders by agency as of June 17, 2020. So agency is Abojeb Manpower Solutions Incorporation, formerly Aboitis Jebsen Manpower Solutions. Okay, so this agency is legal agency, guys. So countries, so these are their postings. Countries: Japan, Lithuania, Qatar, Japan, Qatar, Lithuania, Indonesia, Cambodia, United Kingdom, Bahrain, Indonesia, Finland, Qatar, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, China, Finland. Okay, so I think it's almost all countries they are connected with. So the data approved, we can see the latest is May 27, and the job order balance. Okay. So IT system engineer, let's take a look for the informations for this. Additional informations, qualifications, and how you can apply for this one. Okay, so IT system engineer in Tokyo, Japan. So by this agency, Abojeb Manpower Solutions Incorporation. Address is the ground floor portion and 6th floor, reruns corporate, Counter 1, Paranaque, Metro Manila, Philippines. Okay, so for the qualifications for this is male or female, 25 years old and above, minimum of 2 years experience, at least bachelor's college degree. So this job has no placement fee. So this is a great news. I think for Japan, all of the offerings in Japan is no placement fee. So job description, in-house web application, development of program and maintenance, administration, IT skills, JavaScript, Python programming, VB and C language, developments to be achieved, GUI development by OSS, Grafana, PostgreSQL, InfluxDB, program development by using Microsoft Visual Basic and C++. So interested applicants may send their resume to so this is their email address, ajman.jobs@abujeb.com.ph. So with subject line, IT system engineer position. Okay, of course, guys, when you are sending your resume, or you always indicate in your subject line the exact position you're applying for. And I remember, guys, when I was in college, then our instructor in the programming is they are Japanese, so it is by government to government, which means the Japanese is helping the Philippines. So and now they are hiring us. So thank you for them for they they know already the skills of the Filipinos. Okay, so plant engineer. So there are 2 vacancies for this job in Tokyo, Japan. So it is same, guys. Agency, Abujeb Manpower Solutions Incorporation. So principal project, it didn't indicate here. Confidential. Qualifications is for male, 30 years old and above. Minimum of 5 years experience, Filipino, at least bachelor's college degree. So this job has no placement fee. So looking for plant engineers with experience in steel fabrication. So interested applicants may send their detailed resume to ajman. Here, guys, ajman.jobs@abujeb.com.ph with subject line plant engineer position. Okay, so another is road roller operator. So there are 10 vacancies for this job by First Dynamic Personnel Resources Incorporation. So this agency is located in 3rd floor JLC building number 8 and Ramirez Street, Don Manuel, Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Okay, so for the qualifications for this road roller operator, qualifications is male, 23 years old and above, minimum of 3 years experience, Filipino, at least high school diploma. So this job has no placement fee. Alright, First Dynamic. Okay, so this is the First Dynamic. So I don't forget. So this is a legal agency where it's posted in the POA website, their job orders. So agency is First Dynamic Personnel Resources Incorporation. So the country you can see here, their data approved job orders. So I cannot see yet for the Japan because the latest here is Canada, UAE, Canada, Hungary, Canada. So it's always, I observe, guys, that it's always been that job orders come later after the posting. Okay, so First Dynamic Personal Resources Corporation. Urgent hiring this June interview. Please read details below. Position construction worker, Japan, qualifications with minimum 3 years experience. Must be 22 and it didn't indicate the age limit. Male must no visible tattoo. Ex-Japan is not allowed. First timer only. Must have high school diploma, at least high school graduate. For interested applicants, please contact the following. So you can contact their numbers. So this is their numbers, guys. 0926-784-6141, 0926-280-5421. Send your CV at, so you can send also your CV at dynamics123@gmail.com. Or you may also personally go to their office. So I think they have not yet filled up this one because they or post again. So deadline is up July 18. So I think not no applicants yet for this one. That's why they have posted again. Okay, another is excavator operator for Japan. So there are 10 vacancies for this job, and it's same. First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporation agency posted this job. So qualifications is from male, 23 years old and above, minimum of 3 years experience, at least high school diploma for this excavator operator, guys. So this job has no placement fee. So this is also urgent. Position is construction worker. Location Japan. With minimum 3 years experience, must be 22. Male must no visible tattoo. Ex-Japan is not allowed. First timer only. Must have high school diploma, at least high school graduate. Okay, so if you are interested, please contact their number ASAP. 0926-784-6141, 0946-280-5421, or you can send your resume to dynamics123@gmail.com, or you may personally go to their office. Another is carpenter. Carpenter is in need in Japan. So there are 10 vacancies for this job by First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporation agency. So qualifications for this is for male, 23 years old and above, minimum 3 years experience, Filipino at least high school diploma, and this job has no placement fee. So I think all this one is urgent because maybe of the COVID. So hindi nakakalabas yung mga tao. I hope so that we are all free. That's why they have been posting this one many times. Okay, so it says urgent hiring. Position construction worker, Japan. With minimum 3 years experience, must be 22, and it didn't indicate the age limit. Male must no visible tattoo. Ex-Japan is not allowed. First timer only. Must have high school diploma, at least high school graduate. So for interested applicants, please contact their numbers and send your resume to dynamics123@gmail.com, or you may also go to their office. Actually, it says the deadline of submission or resume applications June 19, but actually it's already past June 21 already this time, which means they had already they post again for this one, so it's not yet filled up. Another is painting works. So for this painting works, 10 vacancies for this job, and it is same, guys. It's for First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporation, and for the qualifications is for male, 23 years old and above, minimum of 3 years experience, at least high school diploma. This job has no placement fee. So it's same urgent, guys, urgent hirings for this with minimum 3 years experience must be 22 and didn't indicate. Male must not visible tattoo. Ex-German is not allowed. First timer only. Must have high school diploma. At least high school graduate. So if you are interested, please contact their numbers and send your resume to dynamics123 So another is equipment operator. So let's take a look for this equipment operator by it is same agency, guys. First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporation. So there are 10 vacancies for this job. So qualifications is male, 23 years old and above, minimum of 3 years experience, Filipino, at least high school diploma. And it is all same guys. This one is urgently needed, and please contact their numbers or send your resume to dynamics123@gmail.com. Okay, so another is ref and aircon installer. So there are 5 vacancies for this job. In Nagoya, Japan, ref and aircon installer. So by Sanko. So this one is Sanko Employment Solutions Incorporation. So address is Unit A, first floor, and Unit A, second floor, 2275 Interior, Padre Burgos, Pasay City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Alright, so Sanko Employment, I need to check to you for the legality for this job, although I know already that this one is legit agency, but of course, to be sure, to see is to believe. Saan ko? Okay, here. So it's on the POA website. So approved job orders by agency as of June 17, 2020 by agency Sanko Employment and Solutions Incorporated. So the country, Qatar, Japan, Maldives, Japan, Singapore, Japan. I think they are all for Japan for this one, for this agency, guys. Okay, so qualifications for this ref and aircon installer. Male, 21 years old and above, minimum of 1 year experience, at least high school diploma, and this job has no placement fee. It says here, additional information, please be informed that CESI is now open and accepting walk-in applicants for our hiring for Japan under our prospective clients. All aspiring applicants must report in the office for assessment and fill out the Japanese forms to qualify for line-up. Okay, no placement fee, no processing fee, no salary deduction. Qualifications, at least high school graduate, minimum 1 year experience is required, preferably with passport strictly. No tattoo except for ex-Japan trainees. For ex-Japan trainees, bring your ex-Japan training certificate and assessment records, employment certificate, and Japan trade test results, if any. It says here, baka may mga kakilala kayong interested for the above positions we're accepting po. Pakipasa na lang po sa mga kakilala nyo. No face mask, no entry. Protect yourselves from COVID-19. So, ayan po. So they have Facebook here. You can check their Facebook accounts, and they have also email. Here's the email account, che.sanko@gmail.com. So this is their contact numbers. Alright, so this is for today for Japan postings, and this is Julie again. Thank you for your time watching, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for those new, and I pray for all the best, and I say have a great day. Bye bye.